People got confused because when you see, for example, a Japanese chef, big chef, cutting fish, something that you will never succeed to do if you don't practice for many years doing it. I think that what I bring to the table is exactly the opposite. It doesn't matter if the slices are the same. You cut the fish like you cut the cucumber. You are not afraid of your ingredients and you are not afraid of imperfections. Imperfections make the whole thing. מזל טוב. וואו. This is monkfish. And they have calamaris. This is the local shrimp that we have here, crystal shrimp. Wow.
We have small season for it, but man, oh my God.
Wow.